MediaFire download problem solution. GSM again team. Now I try MediaFire download site. Okay, I have a link. Open. I am use Mozilla Firefox driver in the browser. Click download. No, WordPress has blocked it. Again, I try. Link paste and go. Then click download. No, WordPress has been blocked. Okay, no problem. Now time I use Google Chrome browser. Okay, try Google Chrome browser. Paste and go. WordPress has been blocked. Okay, no problem. So I go main work. I download tuch VPN. Google Chrome tuch VPN source and ultimate VPN box Google Chrome. Click tuch VPN extension. Add to Chrome. tuch VPN. Add to Chrome. Click add to Chrome. Checking. Open this window. Click add extension. Now wait a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay. Then this window, click turn on sign. Okay, wait. tuch VPN install হচ্ছে okay then see this icon, then click, then connect. See again this link. All close. See this. Click connect. Okay, my VPN is work. tuch VPN is work. Now time. Then now I paste and go MediaFire download link. Okay. See again. tuch VPN connect. Okay. Now click download. No tension. Wait. Must be downloaded. Link. Now, so see this Symphony i97, then click assign a double click download. Now time MediaFire download problem solved.